Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is going up. I think we're in an ABC of this big W, X, Y pattern, which is just a triple three pattern. Three waves for the W, three waves for the X, and three waves for the wave Y. I believe this wave Y will go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, most likely take out these two highs before we do get a bigger push to the downside. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely have been going down pretty strong, as you can see, but I still think that this is an uptrend for the wave Y. I think if anything, it's like a 1, probably a 2. Eventually, it'll go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5 because a wave C should be a trend. It should be a 5-wave trend. Just like this wave A was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wave C should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, like I said, I think it's an ABC of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can clearly see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to the upside right here. Now we do definitely have a little bit of a three-way pattern to the downside, but this move up right here is definitely not looking very impulsive. I mean, if it does turn impulsive, then that definitely would primarily turn me into a buyer. But and with this move up looking extremely corrective, I would actually expect there's a pretty good chance that it will go down again. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, this move right here is extremely corrective. Now, if it starts breaking structure to the upside in a big way, then I would definitely be looking for buys. But I think at this point, we probably should be looking for sells because if this right here really was the end of a correction, then this would be making big impulsive movements to the upside, because that's what happens at the end of a correction. I think there's a good chance that this may not even be an ABC. It might even actually stretch down and turn into like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we got a Fibonacci retracement out here. Now this is looking to me like one big correction, like it could possibly be an A. This could be three waves down for a wave B. Maybe this does need to go up a little bit more to complete a wave C, maybe bounce out to 78%, make it a pulse and engulf and move to the downside. But if that's the case, then that's going to make for a very, very nice clear sorting opportunity for the continuation of this downtrend. Now, like I said, on the other hand, if it does start to close above the 78% retracement, and it starts to break above these highs right here, then that probably would turn me into a buyer again. But at this point, it kind of seems like the longer time frames are telling us that this is actually going to keep on going down and that we should be looking for sorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.